BB Stew Buddies, this is Fetters Farmstead. My name's Tyler. We have plenty of work to do today, so let's get after it. Morning, guys. How you doing? How you doing? Good morning. Guten Tag. Ain't. Here come my pigs. You hungry? Everybody's hungry. Ain't. Time for breakfast. Here comes the little ones. Fellers and ladies. After 2 weeks, I finally feel like we're getting into our groove. Sarah milks the girls, and I take care of everybody else. So everybody's fat and happy, besides Mavis. She's patiently waiting for her turn. But, hey boys, you got hay, you got water. So the boys are separate. The girls are in training, they're getting their feed. So, and all the dogs sitting there like, why can't we come in? But it's a little less commotion if the dogs aren't here. I mean, they don't mess with the animals, and the animals don't mind them, but it's just too much to have everybody involved. Hey Mavis, you don't mind the dogs, but you're also a bully, so that's okay. Soon enough, Mavis. Where's the moo cows? Moo cows! Come on, cows! So this is Sarah's setup. She's getting there. She almost has everything how she likes it, I guess. Big old Mavis is milking it out. She's our #1 producer. That gets the chores done for today. Now Sarah's gonna work in the house, and I'm gonna go out, and I gotta put brakes on the van and brakes on the truck. I went and got tools this morning. It's not raining, so I have mechanic work to do. In the shop, pulled the wheels off the front. Don't need front brakes. What the crap? So I backed it in, pulled the wheels off the back. It needs back brakes. Ugh. I could have sworn the thing needed front brakes. That's what I have. That's what I ordered. So I guess we're gonna have to make another Rock Auto order, get the proper parts, and we'll do that next weekend. They should make it another week, but that'll be it. I have to do it next weekend. So we're gonna push it off. Sarah's probably gonna get mad at me because it'll start squeaking anytime now. It is freaking humid. I had to break out the old sweatbands. It's ridiculous out here. I need a fan in the shop. I gotta get my fan from the old shop. That's gonna be a priority in the next week. Whew. So whoever built this shop definitely didn't have full-size vehicles, or this was before it was built, like the 90s, before trucks got so big and vans were so big. Because my full-size 2500 Cummins Ram is just too big. If I want to shut the door, I gotta take the hitch out so I have enough room to walk around in the front. It's tight. And Sarah's van's just as bad. So we're gonna have to figure out an addition, apply for permits one day, or just tear the thing down and rebuild new. But for now, we'll make do. It's better than working out in the dirt like we did the last 2 years. So we gotta change brakes on the big truck and fuel filters. So fuel filters are gonna be first, so then they can gravity feed. So then I don't have to prime the pump so much. Okay, let's see if I can make a mess. Drain a little diesel fuel on the floor. Put a little diesel fuel on my neck for smell goods for Sarah. Even though she really don't like diesel fuel, but I love the smell of diesel fuel. It does it for me. There's one new filter. Don't push the plastic into the filter, you dummy. Make sure you lube the gasket a little bit. Make sure the old gasket came off. Just spin it on my hand. Now, job number 2. Change brakes on the truck. Now a little pry bar. Gotta figure out where to put the pry bar. Whatever. Should have grabbed the one I wanted, but I couldn't find it. Ready. There we go. The heck, these aren't even shot. Must be the other side. Always replace your clips, people. They give them with you for a reason. And if you're buying brakes that don't come with brand new hardware, you're buying too cheap of crappy brakes. You forstay? All the clips. And take your old pad and the biggest C-clamp you can get and run the pistons right back in. This is how we've done it since Great Granddad did it. I don't care what anybody says. Oh, they make a special tool and you should do this and blah, blah, blah. It works. Plain and simple. But don't listen to me. I'm an idiot. But I'm the only one that's ever changed brakes on this truck, so. And I have 336,000 miles. Hard miles. Come on, don't do that, you dork. Okay. They do make a nice fancy tool, ratcheting, whatever I'm gonna call it, but I spend enough money on tools. I don't need fancy ones, I just need ones that work. Okay. Come on, go to your home. I will at least start the bolt on the top end. I like to run everything in with my fingers. It's an easy way not to cross thread everything, and it don't hurt you to develop your finger strength. Get my fat head in here and find the hole. Oh, now that's it. You just start off my hand. That's a professional. You definitely fall on me. Let's hide it. Good buddy Dave just came fishing. He's gonna see if we got any fishies in the pond. Proud of you, buddy. Dave, you caught a fish. Looks like a smallmouth, or yeah, it's a little bass.
100% certain.
Let me see.
I ain't certain on that.
I'd say it's a little bass, though, for sure. Don't you say it's a little bass?
It could be.
Little largemouth bass.
I mean, just look, the coloring looks
Oop, you sucker.
off,
I don't
or
know.
something. You got a light in there.
Yeah, there's fishes. Now, David, you didn't kiss it goodbye.
No.
You're never gonna catch that one again.
That's all right.
Man, you're a dork.
I want something bigger.
Well, yeah. Well, me and Dave are pretty sure that the pond has a lot of minnows or chubs or something in them. They're a native stream fish. Not entirely sure what they are other than that. he caught 4 or 5 so far and never has caught anything else. No bass, nothing bigger. So we'll see. He's gonna spend a couple hours here and fish the place, so maybe he'll catch something bigger. Well, there's a thunder shower coming in from the west, so we're gonna call it quits. We're gonna head over to Eville to hang out with Sarah's mom. We didn't see her on Mother's Day, so we're gonna go over and give her some flowers and spend time with her. So we'll see you again in the wash. See you, love you, bye.